Hey, real estate world, what's going on? This is Kyle Farmer over at Title Loans. Hey, just wanted to talk to you a little bit today about bridge loans and what a bridge loan is used for and how we look at bridge loans and kind of what is involved in that and kind of just the details of it, right? So simply put, a bridge loan is a loan that's used to purchase and or refinance a property. But let's talk a little bit about the purchase side first, because there's a lot of deals happening right now in the marketplace. We're here in Houston, Texas. Great market, thriving market. Affordability, not really an issue with those. You gotta be able to have a way to find the properties, right? So it's harder to do those deals in some cases because maybe the price points have went up. Home prices are still rising, but hopefully we'll see that kind of settle down a little bit this year and kind of sustain the market a little bit. So simply put, a bridge loan is a loan that it's a short-term loan, interest only, 12-month term, can be extended longer depending on the extensive work that needs to be done or the rehab that needs to be done on the property. So it's used to purchase the property, include the rehab, right? And then typically can't exceed 70% of that property's after repair value for the max loan amount. So it is a cost-based loan with us. And then with that being said, that's going to be, typically 85 to 90% of the project's cost. Typically you're going to get 100% of the rehab dollars. So then you're looking at that percentage of the purchase price down. Again, it's a short-term loan, right? So if you're gonna hold the property after the rehab is complete, it would just be refinanced into a long-term DSCR type loan, which we actually do those well, and we do quite a few of them. So that is something that can be used for it. If you're gonna if you're gonna sell the property, then of course you would just sell the property, put it on the market when the work's complete, and that you wouldn't have to refinance it unless you're actually gonna, of course, hold the property. And then if there's anything at the end that's not used for rehab, so if it was in the rehab budget and you actually don't use that, then that amount will just go to reduce your payoff amount. So it actually, helps you get a little bit more on the profit side whenever you go to sell that property. So that's in a nutshell what a bridge loan is. That was on the purchase side, right? So if you have something, a property that you own that's needing rehab, and maybe it's something that obviously you're going to hold, we can refinance that and then refinance out of the bridge loan into a DSCR loan so that you can hold it, put you in a long-term 30-year fixed type program and product. We do a lot of those as well. Depending on the details of it, they can be a little bit more challenging because, again, it's a cost-based loan. So the work, if you've done any work to it at all, that's going to come into play. The value will be there, and typically, again, on those, we're looking at the LTC being, which is the loan to cost. We're looking at that being somewhere in the ballpark of 80-85% on something like that. So it doesn't go just off the value, and then again, you can't exceed 70% of that property's after repair value as well for that. So that's kind of a bridge loan in a nutshell. There's no prepayment penalties on these. So if somebody, if you're looking to hold it, don't worry about the payoff situation, refinancing out of that into a DSCR product, because there is no prepay on the bridge side. It's just interest only, no prepayment penalty. And then that way you're able to get into refinance without any penalties into a long-term product if that's what you choose to do. We do on a kind of want to bring this up too, because sometimes it does come up and it is important. We do want to kind of vet the exit, right? So the exit being, if you're going to rent the property, hold it to rent, we do want to make sure that that is going to be a cash flowing property. We want to make sure that DSCR is going to be in line. Make sure there's not going to be any issues with it, right? We don't want people to get stuck and not have a way to get out or have to pay extensive penalties in order to actually get out of it. So again, that's kind of the bridge in a nutshell. Purchase or refi, sometimes there's room for for you to do a cash out. So if you are looking to do something like this, We lend nationwide with the exception of a few states. We don't lend in Arizona. We're going to be a little bit limited in California. We can still do, still do stuff there, but we're going to be a little limited. Don't do Nevada, no Oregon, North and South Dakota we don't do as well. And any other state, pretty much in play. So if you have a scenario, if you're looking to do something, please give me a call. All my details are going to be below this video, so please reach out. Happy to help you answer any questions. Don't be shy to reach out. We're here to help. So if we can get something done, we would love to be able to help you. Again, like, subscribe, let us know if you have any questions, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. And stay tuned later this week for more educational videos coming your way. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.